get our dry pad. We want to make sure that we always flipping our pads and rinsing them off after we use them to ensure that you know, we don't get these pads worn out too fast. So anyways, put it underneath, come on, even it up. So there, I tried to kind of just twist it on, didn't work. So now what I'll do is I'll just drop this pad, or drop this top on top of my pad here. Generally that picks the pad up. Now for my test, pick up my pad, move it, my pad is on secure. Now, when the pad is on, and the machine is in the up position, I can click this pad off most times by just double tapping and it comes off. So now my pad is off. And again, in the up position, when you click this button here, it'll bring the pad, it'll dislocate the pad. So now back again, I'm gonna go over this pad. I'm gonna drop the machine down. Press my button. It'll bind it. It's located it. Now I'll do a pass-through wall, scrubbing. Put my water down. Stop my machine from running here. All right, now I'll pick up my machine. Again, my hand is not on the button for it to come off. But now that I'll be scrubbing in the up position, it may drop off because I'm scrubbing with the front up to get this last bit of water here. But I'll show you all. Here we go.